In this video, I will guide you through the steps on how to assign workers in Schedule 1. Step 1. Hire a worker. Once you've unlocked the warehouse or upgraded locations, you can start hiring. Before you can hire workers in Schedule 1, you'll need to have completed the Wretch Hive of Scum and Waylandly quest that introduces you to the warehouse. During the quest, you'll eventually meet the Fixer Manny at the warehouse and he'll let you hire workers. Go to the Workers tab or use the in-game menu to access available hires. Hire the worker and make sure you can afford their daily wage. Step 2. Provide essentials. Every worker needs a bed placed in the warehouse or grow room. Assign that bed to the worker by selecting the bed, then choosing the worker's name. Place storage nearby and dump required items there. Step 3 is to assign tasks. For botanist, place grow pots, maximum of 8 per worker. Assign each pot to the botanist by clicking on it and selecting their name. Also, assign each pot a destination shelf where harvested product goes. For packagers, set up a packing station and place a packager nearby. Assign two pickup points, one for empty jars or bags, and one for raw product. Third is to assign an output shelf where packed goods go. For chemists, set up cooking stations and assign them similarly to the botanist setup. Make sure they have access to ingredients and a delivery shelf. And for dealers, assign them a pickup shelf where they collect products to sell. Make sure it's stocked with what they're supposed to sell. And lastly, don't forget to monitor and adjust. Check their work zones regularly to ensure that they have enough supplies and their pots shelves aren't full or stocked. You can always reassign shelf spots or pickups by selecting and editing the assignment. And that's it.